We guide you through how to unblock people on X or Twitter so you can restore communication and view their content again in just a few easy steps. First thing you need to do is to open your X app or go to X website and make sure you are logged in into your account. Tap your profile icon in the top corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. From there, tap Privacy and Safety, and then select Muted and Block Accounts. Now, choose Block Accounts, and you'll see a full list of everyone you blocked in the past. Find the person you want to unblock and tap the block or unblock button next to their name. X will ask you to confirm your choice, so tap unblock again to finalize it. Once done, that person will be able to see your profile, view your posts, and interact with your content again. If you ever want to block them again, you can do it directly from their profile. This process works the same way on both Android, iPhone, and desktop, and it only takes a few seconds to complete.